Hello, good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning. We are learning chapter 7 population, and we are came to the last lecture of this chapter 7 population, that is lecture 11, where we are going to talk about the measures to reduce population. So, or we can say measures to control the population, where here we are going to know what are the different measures where the government has taken or the government of India has taken to reduce this population. What are the measures or what are the awareness program where it has been done? What are the different family planning? Everything we are going to know here in this particular topic. So let's quickly start that what are the different measures which has been taken to control the population. So very first is a mass education and awareness. So you find that here in mass education and awareness, people are being made aware to about the tiny families or the nuclear families where which will help them that reduce the of birth rate. We have already seen in increase in birth rate because of the we find that on an average female fertilization is moving from 15 to 49 of age, where they can on an average they can give 6 child per female which has been given up by the female which has been given. Second is effectiveness of family planning. Yes, to overcome this situation of 6 or more childs, we have to make them to realize about the family planning. They have to be done a family planning, that at what particular age or at what particular on the basis of their income also, because different factors make them to go with more of birth rates. So by their understanding the problem, we should guide them, or government should make some counselors which help them to overcome this family planning problem. So programs are being made how to overcome with the family planning. Then increasing the age of marriages and raising the women status or status of women. सो यहाँ पे हमारा एज मैरिज एज को बढ़ा दिया, मीन्स वी हैव टू इंक्रीज द मैरिज एज. द एज ऑफ मैरिंग, लीगल मैरिंग इज व्हाट we find that 18 year age of for a girl, and a boy for boy it is 21. So you find that this age should be is increased. It is already increased to this much, but earlier when we see to the child marriages, it was 13 and 15 age, which we have increased now to 18 and 21. Again, द स्टेटस ऑफ वुमेन, दैट इज अपलिफ्टमेंट. वुमेन अपलिफ्टमेंट शुड बी डन. हमारे को वुमेन को अच्छे से अपलिफ्टमेंट करना चाहिए, एम्पावर करना चाहिए, एजुकेशन देना चाहिए. व्हाट आर द राइट्स which is being possessed by a male child should be given to a girl child also, or female child also. Then after incentives and disincentives, सी बहुत सारी चीज़ों में आपको फ़ायदा क्या है और क्या नहीं फ़ायदा है अगर आप न्यूक्लियर फैमिली से रहोगे. इफ़ यू हैव न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, सम ऑफ द इंसेंटिव्स आर बीन गिवन. ऑफ यू ट्राई टू ओवरकम द पॉपुलेशन कंट्रोल के लिए कुछ हेल्प कर सकते हो तो आपको कुछ पैसे इंसेंटिव्स मिलेंगे. और वही दूसरी टाइम पे इफ़ यू हैव मोर नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रंस, there are some disincentives which are being guidelines are being given up by the government for the couples those who are having more childs. Then lastly, expansion of medical services and its growth और ग्रोइंग इफेक्टिवनेस विच हेल्प अस टू रिड्यूस द डेथ रेट. हमारा डेथ रेट इससे कम हो गया. तो ये पूरा टॉपिक के बारे में हम जानेंगे, अच्छे से नो करेंगे. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द वेरी फर्स्ट वन, गेट टू नो विद मास एजुकेशन एंड अवेयरनेस. So when it's talking about mass education and awareness, you find that we have to be getting necessary, or we have to realize that this uh, education will help them to know that why our population is increasing, what are the causes of increase in population. So if we try to educate people that every now and there is so many births are being taken up, every now and then our population of India has been increasing. We know that every year 1.70 lakh or 1.7 crore of people, 170 lakh or 1.7 crore of people are being added. That is on one Australia is been added into our country. तो पूरे साल भर में हर एक ऑस्ट्रेलिया का पॉपुलेशन ऐड हो रहा है. तो मतलब क्या है कि हमारा पॉपुलेशन बहुत हाई रेट से ग्रो हो रहा है. देयर इज एन इंक्रीज इन पॉपुलेशन विद अ वेरी हाई रेट. सो to overcome the situation, we have to reduce the birth rate, as we have seen the causes of birth rate where the births are more and deaths are less. Still we find that 22 births are being taken place for every 1000 people, and we find that 7 are dying out फॉर एवरी 1000 पीपल. सो इसको ये सब चीज़ों को ओवरकम करने के लिए हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? व्हाट आर द मेजर्स वी हैव टू टेक फॉर ओवरकम दिस सिचुएशन? वी नीड टू एजुकेट देम. कैसे एजुकेट करेंगे? बाय डिफरेंट टेलीकास्ट, by different visual telecast, mobile pay, we can say you find that on television, on radio. So education should be spreaded, propagated by the government officers to the different society, different place, different villages, different areas. So ये सब चीज़ें करने से क्या होगा? This will educate them, this will get to realize and get to know them that what is the benefit or what is the importance of small families, not the big families. अगर ज़्यादातर आप जिस लोगों को देखते हो तो we have seen from the ancient time a woman is on an average able to do able to give birth to the more than 6 children. Now it is not I am telling, it is the data which we have learned under the high birth rate. So to overcome this birth rate, this mass education is necessary. Why again it is mass education necessary? A group of people should be educated, should be known. ज़्यादातर villages के यहाँ पे ऐसा नहीं, villages but also in urban cities also you find that this with big families peoples are living. So society, different societies, different places, different societies should get aware about this particular high birth rate, and to overcome, how to overcome this high birth rate, awareness should be spread. Okay, so here in school, colleges, you find that in different places the drama, the we can say memes, or we can say songs can be played, and experts can help us to make PPTs and different datas in schools and colleges. तो उससे क्या होगा? ज़्यादा अवेयरनेस. तो अपकमिंग जो फ्यूचर जनरेशन है उन लोग को पता चलेगा कि हम व्हाट इज importance of small families. So what is the importance of how to reduce the birth rate? Because it is altogether impacting to the country's population, and that's why we are standing second in the largest population after China. So ये चीज़ हम ओवरकम ना करें तो प्रॉब्लम होगा इन फ्यूचर देयर विल बी नो प्लेस फॉर सर्वाइवल इनटू आवर कंट्री. सो यू फाइंड दैट हियर दिस सॉन्ग्स, ड्रामाज, मीम्स, प्लेज, एक्ट by lectures, by different expert lectures, statistical programs के हिसाब से ये लोग दिखाएंगे. ऐसे नहीं कि इसके वजह से, और we can say on television different advertisement will help them to educate. So government is trying to educate people and get to know about what is an importance for nuclear family, small family, and how to reduce the birth rate. Again, there has been a policy which has been made in 2000. So it is known as 2000 population policy or population policy of 2000, where they have emphasized or they have taken more focus in raising the women. So women empowerment has started. We have seen in the population trend that female child have increased after the year of 2000. So in 2001 से लेकर 2011 तक हमारा women child, there is an increase for every 1000 male, that is gender ratio. So even though here we find that women was not given proper education, proper importance into the society, were given now in 2000 era, in 21st century, they were given equal opportunities, they were given equal rights for education, for employment, for jobs everywhere. So this will help to raise the status of women, we can say. So by making this, what will happen? We have seen a woman which is not educated give more child births rather than the woman which is educated. So all these things are having some their impact on the population, and because of this only we are controlling, we are doing all the different mass educations and awareness so that our population get reduced. Again, you find that our demographers, who are the demographers? Those people who are doing surveys, analyzing the surveys, analyzing the habitant or the local profile people, which get to know that education is the best method. Education is the best method for population control. So this will help them. This will help them where they find that how to control the population, because educated women get to know that how or how many children should be taken up care, whereas uneducated woman does not know how much children to be taken care. So this is what is happening under this particular situation, or ancient time it happened, and because of that now we are facing with this largest population in our country. Now second point talks about the effectiveness of family planning. Now, why there is a necessary for family planning program? These couples who are getting married should have awareness or should know that what should be the proper measures, what should be the proper family planning should be done, and when the child should be taken up. So when they are able, when they are capable, they are able to bear a child, they should go with reproduction. Again, we can say not only once or twice, we can say here it should be done for a proper planning that how much child you are able to bear, but government support here is only for two children because of more population increase. Here planning should be done in such a way there should be a gap between two childrens also. देर शुड बी अ गैप ऑफ 5 years. दिस ये सब चीज आप अवेयरनेस टेलीविजन पे देखे होंगे. सो दिस help them the people to get knowledge, get acquired knowledge about this, that why there should be a gap of 5 years for between two children. तो ये सब चीज़ आपको आइडिया आएगा जिससे हम पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं. नाउ दिस इज डिफरेंट थिंग्स, डिफरेंट. ऐसा नहीं इफ यू डोंट वांट टू इंक्रीज अ पॉपुलेशन जनरेशन नहीं करते, यू कैन गो विद डिफरेंट मेजर्स ऑल्सो. सो दिस फैमिली प्लानिंग काउंसलिंग इज बीन डन बाय द गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसर्स. आप जहाँ जाओ वहाँ पे कंसल्टेंट्स बैठे हैं, वहाँ पे फैमिली प्लानिंग कैसे करना है आपको बताएंगे. सो दिस क्रिएट्स अ वेरी सिंपल इजी अफोर्डेबल अवेलेबिलिटी ऑफ कॉन्ट्रासेप्शंस. मतलब कौन से मेजर्स लेके हम ये स्टॉप करें, किसको, बर्थ रेट को, हाई बर्थ रेट को स्टॉप करें. अगेन इन पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी ऑफ 2000 इट सेज दैट मोर प्रोग्राम्स आर बीन मेड फॉर फैमिली प्लानिंग. मतलब बहुत सारे काउंसलिंग की प्लानिंग की है, प्रोग्राम्स की है कि अलग अलग विलेजेस में जाके, अलग अलग प्लेसेस में जाके फैमिली प्लानिंग के बारे में अवेयर करें, उन लोग को इंपॉर्टेंस बताए कि व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ स्टेरिलाइजेशन, दैट इज नसबंदी, व्हाट इज द इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लेस बर्थ रेट, हाउ टू प्रिवेंट फ्रॉम अनवांटेड प्रेगनेंसी. ये सब मेजर्स के बारे में उन लोग को बताया गया है और बताते रहते हैं. सो फॉर दिस व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट मेजर्स दे हैव टू टेक इज बीन एजुकेटेड देम, इट इज बीन नोन टू देम, इट इज बीन गिवन टू देम. सो this is what you find that family planning should be there where unwanted childs can be avoided, and this unwanted childs only lead to the more population in our country. So ये समझना है, ये education के through समझ पाएंगे. Again you find that the third point talks about the increase of age of marriages. What is the age of marriage? You find that for a girl child at the age of 18 and for a boy it is the age of 21, but still we find that it is less because earlier time पे 13 से लेके 15 वाले एज में उन लोग की शादी हो जाती थी. उसके बाद 15 एज ऑफ 15 से लेके we find that age of 49, that is a fertility period for a woman. This in this fertility period on an average she is able to bear more than 6 children, which has been seen in 1961. ये 1961 डेटा के हिसाब से वो ऑन एन एवरेज कितने बर्थ को देती है, कितने चाइल्ड को बर्थ दे सकती है, 6. And this has been found out in 1961. So to overcome this type of situation, what factors are affecting, what factors leads to the high birth rate? तो उसके लिए हमको इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा, ये फर्टिलिटी पीरियड को कम करने के लिए हमको मैरिज का एज इंक्रीज करना पड़ेगा. सो यू फाइंड दैट एट प्रेजेंट द एज ऑफ अ गर्ल टू गेट मैरिड इज लीगली एज इज 18 and legal age for boy is 21, where it was earlier 16 and 18. गर्ल के लिए पहले 16 था, बॉय के लिए पहले वो 18 था. तो ये चीज़ निकाल दी गई है, उसकी जगह पे अभी ये आई है पॉपुलेशन पॉलिसी के अंदर. एंड अगेन सेकेंड टॉपिक इट टॉक्स अबाउट रेजिंग द स्टेटस. Why we should raise the status of women? What happens when those women are having a good status? Now here status is talking about the equality of the women and the men, where women in earlier time in the ancient time was not given more proper education. Equality as a male child is been given at present time. They are been educated, they are been given a good amount good equality in job also, then education also. You find that women empowerment was been started from 2000, upliftment of women is been started. So different, by the way of different ways these women are getting educated and employed. And what will help them, what will help us if we are educating the women? See, again a status says that if a primary educated woman is been there, give less birth than the uneducated women or the illiterate women. So here it also talks about that if women are educated, if they know what this particular process is all about, तो उन लोग जनसंख्या, that is the population will be under the control if they are educated. So education is the best method to control this population. So educating the women is again necessary to avoid this high birth rate. Clear? So this is what which talks about that there is an equal opportunity in education, employment, again in further different jobs. Again, this woman will help to reduce the size of the family, that is they can make to the nuclear family, not more than that. So woman which is illiterate does not have proper knowledge about the family planning and family size, और उसको ये नहीं पता कि इससे हमारा जनसंख्या बढ़ेगी, लेकिन एजुकेटेड वुमेन को वो पता होगा, तो उसके लिए उसको एजुकेट करो, उसको समझाओ, एंड शी गेट टू नो दी व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम्स फेस्ड बाय द कंट्री इज बीन नोन टू द वुमेन, एंड दिस फैमिली साइज इज बीन reduces. Then comes the incentives and their disincentives. What is incentives? It is actually the bonus or the money, extra facility which is being given. So here, if what are the things if you try to do, the government will give you incentives. So यहाँ पे बोला गया है, if you the couples goes under sterilization, that is nasbandi, what will happen? The government will pay them some kind of money. Certain amount of money is being given to the people, those people who want to go sterilization. तो स्टेरिलाइजेशन से क्या होगा? नसबंदी होगी. नसबंदी से क्या होगा? दे कैन नॉट गो गिविंग बर्थ टू द चाइल्ड. सो ये चीज़ करनी चाहिए, बहुत सारे लोगों को करनी चाहिए, जिससे ये पॉपुलेशन ना ग्रो हो. अगेन दिस इन्वेस्टमेंट में क्या है कि इफ अ कपल इज हैविंग मोर देन 2 चिल्ड्रंस, चाइना के अंदर ऐसा हुआ था, दे हैव मेड अ पर्टिकुलर डिक्लेरेशन और अ रूल वेयर दोज कपल्स हु आर हैविंग मोर देन 2 or more child are been there, one of the child is been taken up, might be the eldest one, mostly the eldest child is been taken up, and it has been taken to the army. Whereas India has also started with this particular facility where it talks about that couples who are having more than 2 or more children are not given local rights or voting rights in the local election. सो लोकल इलेक्शन के अंदर, नगर पालिका इलेक्शन, महानगर पालिका इलेक्शन के अंदर उन लोग का वोटिंग राइट्स नहीं रहेगा इफ दे हैव मोर देन 2 चिल्ड्रन. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ डिस इन्वेस्टमेंट इज बीन गिवन, वहां से उन लोग का पूरा राइट जो एक अधिकार है एज अ सिटीजन इज बीन टेकन अप दैट. सो दिस विल लीड अवेयरनेस और दिस विल लीड अ मेजर इम्पैक्ट. सो उसके लिए उसको कम बच्चे होने चाहिए. देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर फैमिली प्लानिंग, देयर शुड बी अ प्रॉपर लेस नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन टू देयर फैमिली. सो इससे हम पॉपुलेशन को कंट्रोल कर सके. सो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया हैज ट्राइड बाय डूइंग 2 things. फर्स्ट, बाय गिविंग इंसेंटिव्स टू दोज कपल्स हु आर गोइंग अंडर स्टेरिलाइजेशन, दैट इज नसबंदी. सेकेंड, यू फाइंड दैट दोज कपल्स हु आर हैविंग मोर देन दिस 2 or more child आर बीन टेकन देयर वोटिंग राइट्स. सो वो लोकल गवर्नमेंट के अंदर, इलेक्शंस ऑफ लोकल गवर्नमेंट, सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट जो है उसके अंदर यू फाइंड दैट उन लोग को वोटिंग राइट्स निकाल दिया जाएंगे. सो इट विल बी अगेन हैव बिग इम्पैक्ट फॉर देम, एंड वहाँ से हम कम कर सकते हैं थोड़े बहुत बर्थ्स. सो वी फाइंड दैट मास एजुकेशन से हम कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं, अवेयर कर सकते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट जनरेशन को, कॉलेजेस एंड स्कूल वाले को. देन you find this equal rights are being given to the women child will help them to educate, and education will help them to decrease in the birth rate. Then we find that by raising the status of the women, equal opportunities though, then again we see this investment and disinvestment. Lastly, we are going to know about the expansion of medical services. now मैंने क्यों ये 4 का कंक्लूजन किया? बिकॉज वो reducing of birth rate की बात कर, लेकिन यहाँ पे when we come to the 5th point, expansion of medical service and its growing effectiveness, it talks about the how we have reduces, there is a decrease in the, we find that death rate. So it talks about the India death rate has fallen down. जैसे हमने देखा causes of death rate में, we have seen 1951 the death rate was 27, which have reduced to 7.1. So you find that over the period of 60 years we have seen there is a reduction of 20% dying. Why? Because of good facility of medical services. Medical services की अच्छी facility की वजह से यहाँ पे death कम हो रही है, क्योंकि उनको अलग अलग मेडिकल सर्विसेज मिल रही है, उन लोग को अच्छी फैसिलिटीज, जो न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज है उन लोग को मिल रही है. सो देर इज़ अ प्रॉपर केयर टेकन फॉर द न्यू बॉर्न बेबीज. सो हेल्थ वाइज ऑल्सो विच रिड्यूसेस द इन्फांट मोर्टालिटी रेट. मतलब जो ईयर 0 से लेके 1 ईयर वाले बेबी है, आफ्टर 1000 में भी कितने बेबीज मरते थे 1951 में? 146 ऐसे न्यू बॉर्न बेबी मरते थे बिफोर अटेनिंग द ईयर ऑफ 1. बट नाउ इट हैज़ reduced to 40, स्टिल इट इज़ मोर, लेकिन हमने कंट्रोल कर लिया है। क्यों? क्योंकि हमारी मेडिकल सर्विस इंक्रीज हो गई है। Again, it talks about the major effective disease, communicable disease, that is AIDS. So to overcome AIDS, we have to reduce this infection. ये AIDS वाला infection बीच में बहुत heavy चला था और उसको control करने, it's still a major disease. To overcome this particular thing, there are different medical services, medical test, everything has been known, and इससे हम चेकअप करके हमको पता चल सकता है कि हम कौन से वाले HIV पॉजिटिव है या HIV नेगेटिव है, और HIV पॉजिटिव को एड्स हो सकता है कि नहीं हो सकता। ये सब चीज़ें उन लोग को पता होनी चाहिए, जिससे दे कैन गेट टू नो दैट वाई डूइंग रिप्रोडक्शन दे माइट गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ डिजीज। तो उसको ओवरकम करने के लिए बहुत सारे सेफ्टी मेडिकल सर्विस लेना पड़ेगा। सो जिससे हमारा डेथ रेट कम हो सके, जिससे इन्फांट मोर्टेलिटी रेट कम हो सके। क्यों? बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एड्स यू फाइंड दैट अ मैन or a woman may go under this death of in a minimum time of 5 years. So in 5 years they are getting dead. Again, their body is totally becoming very singular, like cancer. They are not having proper thinking facility. You find that they are having a weight loss. We find even though their childs which are born are again in this particular HIVs. So इससे पूरा डिजीज फैल सकता है। तो उसको भी कंट्रोल करने के लिए मेडिकल सर्विस हैव इंक्रीज्ड, एंड वी फाइंड दैट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मेडिकल सर्विसेज, जो बीच में बहुत सारा डेथ हो रही थी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस एड्स, हैव बीन रिड्यूस एट प्रेजेंट। स्टिल इट इज़ अ मेजर कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज। उसको कम करने के लिए हमको लेस ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन जाना पड़ेगा, लेस ऑफ डेथ रेट विल हैपन, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट इन्फांट्स आर बीन सेव फ्रॉम दिस काइंड ऑफ डिजीज ऑल्सो। सो हियर इंडिया वॉज द फर्स्ट कंट्री। ये पूरा कंक्लूजन हम मिलकर हम बोल सकते कि हमारा इंडिया वाज अ वेरी फर्स्ट कंट्री टू मेक पॉलिसी रिगार्डिंग पॉपुलेशन। दैट्स व्हाई population policy was been first time made by any country, that is India. That is first time. And who has made this particular policy? It has been done under the chairmanship of Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. You have to remember, new population policy 2000 is been given, or it has been framed under the chairmanship of the Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. So this will help you to gain 1 mark in MCQ, or either 1 mark in your short question answers might come repeated questions which has been there. So we have completed the chapter. We have looked for how this population can be controlled, and what is the effectiveness, or what is the more importance of small family planning, and why there should be a gap for 2 or more child. Again, we have learned what are different facilities or incentives which has been given those undergoes under sterilization. Those who are having more than 2 children, their local voting rights are being taken up by the local government, and again it is a problem for them. So बहुत सारी चीज़ें से government is trying to reduce this population. So in near future our population is reduced. Again we find that different measures will again come in future also to overcome this particular situation. I hope you have been clear with this chapter population, where we have learned what are the causes of population, how population has increased tremendously, what made them to increase in population, and what are the remedies or how to control the population we have seen. So if you find still any doubt regarding this chapter, you can call or message me on my number. We are having examination next month, so please try to go in preparing chapter 6, that is unemployment also, and also go with these videos which completes our chapter today. So you have ample amount of time from now, that is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday till Monday, for preparing for your chapter 6. Okay, so if you find doubt in chapter 6 or 7, you can call or message me on my number. Thank you.